Hello, Mr. Tekowski. I'm Mehmet Ortak, and this is my computer. Today I'm going to show you how to run the task you have given. It's not 100% correct, and I can't also connect WinPro Ladder to use Builder Pro. I watch a lot of videos. I try to do it, but somehow I can't. So I will show it on WinPro Ladder. First of all, I have on-off input, which is X0 as you said. X0 is connected to M3, but before we start I want to show you the register table. I created a register table. R0, R2 and R3 set it 0 by default, and also R1 is 2. So I will use the R1 for the division. When I set, actually before we start I want to explain everything. X0 is here on off button and it runs and closes the program. Also X1 operates here allows me to increment this incrementation function, and after that value in the incrementation function go to the R0 in the register table. Then in the next step, when the M3 is activated, and it becomes activated when I turn it on the X0 input, it does the division calculation, and in R1 I sent the result, but we are not interested with result. Actually I am sending the I am sending the reminder to the R2 in the table. With the reminder I'm checking if reminder is equal to 0 or not. Like if it's 0, that means it is an even number. If it's 1, that means it's an odd number. I don't want this outputs to turn on when the value is 0, so I also said like if the value is 0, do not turn the output on. Then when the M1 is activated, which is an output for even numbers, and M3 was activated in the beginning of the program, then a timer starts and it turns on the Y0 output with the value in the register as you asked. So let me show you how it works. I go to simulation and run the program. Now it was set it to 1 by default, but now the program is closed, nothing works. And then I turn it on. M3 is activated. Then I start the functions. So the value is here 1. It divides 1 by 2, so reminder is 1. Then this function works because the reminder is equals to 1, which means this number is an odd number. Then this one works. After 1 second, Y1 is activated. So let's check it for 2. After 2 seconds, even Y0 for even numbers are activated, and after 3 seconds this one is activated, 4 seconds, and so on. Yeah, so in order to close the program, reset the program, I put something like this. So when the M3 is off, these functions will work, which simply means we have in the register we have a R3 with the value of 0, and we're gonna move the value in the R3 which is 0 to R2 and R0. So these functions won't work and everything will be resetted. Let's see. As you can see now, we go back to the register, but here R0 is 0 and we're not interested with R1. It's just the result of the division. And yeah, that's all. I hope this is something close to what you asked for and enough for me to pass the subject. Thank you for watching me.